The first time we're talking about this individual, we need to talk about Spinabenz. If you don't know who Spinabenz is, one of his biggest hits. He just dropped his tape Tornado Kid. He had the ghetto country song, and it was what it was. But we know him from Who I Smoke, Who I Smoke, Who I Smoke. And now I wonder. He's from that song. I wasn't trying to diss them motherfuckers, so I wasn't trying to say that shit still catchy. So I ain't gonna lie. But without that being said, right? What was I gonna say? Apparently, just a report, so I don't know 100% for sure that he can afford an attorney in one of two criminal cases. Now, I fuck with Spinabenz. I like him musically, so again, I don't want him to be in jail, but we gonna read about what he did, honestly, because I'm confused. All these, like, again, like, there's no machismo in this rap shit. Well, there is, but, like, a lot of these boys are street rappers, especially the new generation. They're really on their shit. So, does it surprise me when they have cases? You know what I'm saying? No, it doesn't surprise me because they be in the streets, they be stepping or whatever. But, anyways, let's read about this. Go to Mob Strong Like a Navy. Thank y'all for supporting me, checking out the video, giving me a like, shit, giving me a comment. As messy or as trash as it is, I appreciate y'all. But besides all that, we need to talk about this thing real quick. Like, subscribe, help your boy out, help your boy grow. You know what it is. You know the key. You know I talk my fleas. You heard me. But anyways, he was reportedly hit with a firearms charge last year, and while out on bond, he was arrested for taking off his ankle. Oh, okay. It's one of these stories. Okay. So, a Florida rapper has found himself on the wrong end of the law, and in a recent hearing, more information was given about his case. Last year, popular Jacksonville artist Spinabenz was charged with possession of a firearm by a convicted felon. He was arrested but was able to make bond. However, reports state that he was once again taken into custody weeks ago after being accused of removing his ankle monitor. In a more recent hearing, it was discovered that Spinabenz's real name, Noah Williams, oh, such a fucking nice name, sorry, was declared indigent, indictment, whatever the fuck, after a judge, I'm trash at these big words, okay? I'm trash. After a judge received paperwork stating that the rapper couldn't afford an attorney. So what I was saying, I just got myself a little distracted, like I was saying. So, after the judge received paperwork stating that the rapper couldn't afford an attorney. So, the Who I Smoke artist will reportedly be provided a public defender as questions regarding his financial situation have been discussed. For last year's arrest, First Coast News reported that the rapper's bail was set at $150,000 and paid the 10% to get out of jail. It was suggested that he would still be represented by a former federal prosecutor in his firearms case, but as far as the ankle monitor tampering is concerned, he seeks a court appointed attorney at no cost. Mr. Williams earns a living as a rap artist slash performer under the moniker Spinabenz. A bond motion in 2021 reportedly reads he has a considerable number of fans throughout the world with 161,453 listeners on Spotify. One of his songs has been downloaded 15 million times, and he has a number of music videos. Mr. Williams has been in negotiations with Cinematic Records for the past few months as a result of his talents. It was noted in the report that many other rap artists, Spinabenz has known to flash cash on social media, as he is shown doing in a post made yesterday. Free me, he wrote. So first of all, hey, sucks for my nigga Spinabenz, because I like him as a musician. I like him. Out of all of them, I see him like doing a lot more. I don't really be seeing Fast Money Good. Maybe I gotta check up on Fast Money Good more. Maybe I'm not tapped in with him as much. But I'll be seeing him mostly do his thing, right? But that's just me, and I do appreciate him as a talent. I like him as an artist. I've heard other songs compared other than the Who I Smoke song, but still, it is crazy when Again, I'm not saying all these street rappers is rich, but like he's still coming up. But like, yeah, I get the courts saying like you flexing all this money in the fucking thing. in these videos, but yet you don't have no money. I get it. I get it. So I was just looking like, was I not tapped into Fast Money Goon enough? I was just looking to see something. But with that being said, hey, hopefully he makes it out of this jam. That's all I could really say. I need more information. So basically, he took off his ankle monitor and like, yeah, they're trying to take him to jail. Which again, it is what it is. I don't know the reason why he took him. Maybe it was annoying him. Maybe he had to go make a play. Who fucking knows what was happening? But all I being said is, as an artist, I do think he's extremely talented, and I hate for him to go to jail. Who knows who he supports and helps? You know, his family members and such. But hey, it does suck. But other than that, bro. Sorry about the yawn. Other than that, hey, we're gonna see how this plays out. I need a little bit more information. What do you feel about this? Put your comments down below. If you know more information, just tell a nigga in the comments. I'm fucking confused. Check out the links in the description. I got some other videos for y'all to check out. Besides all that, you already know who it is. You know I'm the kid. You know I talk my shit. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gone. Shalom, zoom, peace, y'all. Alright.